Oh, what a weekend. So all I could...
Diamond Party 3?
Okay, it's started.
What a weekend. So, mind blown right now. So we decided to have a little bit of fun afterwards. This is one of my best friends in the world. I've known him since I was a much younger buck.
We were young Thundercats together.
That's right. Dion Heyman. And he lives out here in Atlanta, so decided to stop by here at the famous Mary Mac's Tea Room. If you ever go to Atlanta, you got to come to this place. The food is out of this world.
And they give you a lot also.
Yeah.
This is what we're taking home.
That's take home.
And we couldn't even put a dent in it.
It's true.
And look at me. Okay.
All right, so here's the deal, guys. Went all the way through it. Tons and tons of amazing information. So much so that it's going to take me a couple of days to kind of process all this stuff that we learned. But I'm going to tell you, it is definitely worth your time and your weekend if you get a chance to go to one of these seminars. Okay? That's all I got. So if you're interested in learning how to do value investing, Philtown is your guy. He's got a team of people who will go out of their way to make sure that you understand. And the best part is they didn't try to sell us anything. I know you can't believe it, but they literally do not try to sell you. All right, that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell notification so next time I put one up, you'll know about it. Peace.